In primetime news this evening, family dispute results in death of 2-year-old boy in Trelawney. JTA formally signs wage agreement. And what's the state of street lights in and around the corporate area? We explore in a TVJ special report.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. You're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Thanks, Janella. Well, the U.S. government has intervened to ease jitters amidst the closure of 2 U.S. banks. I'll give the details of that and so much more later on.
And Jordan is also here with a preview of what's to come in sports. Jordan.
Well, Giovanni, a Jamaican is the top goal scorer for Manchester City and has a record for goals scored in a season. I'll give you a hint. Her nickname is Bunny. I'll tell you more in Primetime Sports Monday.
Girl power. And with a preview of what's to come in the weather report and forecast, Romain is here. Romain?
Thanks so much, Janella. Now, the dry conditions have been causing some problems, especially with the fire brigade and those fires that they have been fighting across the island. But we do have some relief expected by the middle of this week when some showers are forecast across the island.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what's your reaction to polls showing the two political parties in a statistical dead heat?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.